This is question 2 from the AS Maths paper from CCEA, and this is a summer 2024 one. Point A has coordinates -1, 2. Point B has coordinates 3, 10. Find the midpoint of AB. Well, we do have a wee formula for that, so our midpoint in this case is going to be add the x coordinates, -1 plus 3 all over 2, and then 2 plus 10 all over 2. So not too much then to worry about. Then -1 plus 3 gives me 2, 2 over 2 gives me the point 1, 2 plus 10 gives me 12 divided by 2 is 6. The other way to do that is just look halfway between. So halfway between -1 and 3 is going to be 1, halfway between 2 and 10 is 6. Find the gradient of AB. So our gradient is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. I don't think I can fit both on the screen here, but my y2 coordinate, that was 10. Take away my y1 coordinate was 2. My x2 was 3, and then minus 1. So 10 take away 2 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 4. So the gradient required then is going to be 2. On to part 3, hence find the equation of a line perpendicular to AB which passes through the midpoint of AB. Leave your answer in this form here. So the gradient of AB was 2. That means then the gradient of the perpendicular is going to be the negative reciprocal of that, so it's going to be -1/2. We can substitute this into y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, or we can sub it into y equals mx plus c. We'll just go y equals mx plus c in this particular case. Y equals mx plus c. Y is -1/2 x plus c, and we know it goes through the midpoint, so that's then the point 1, 6. So subbing in 1 and 6 gives me 6 is -1/2 upon 1 plus c. That gives me 1/2, so that then gives me 6.5. So c then is 6.5, or if you want, 13 over 2. So my final answer then, well, sum of the answer, y equals -1/2 x plus 13 over 2. But look at the form they want it in. They want everything in the one side, and they want these as whole numbers. So I'm going to times by 2 first of all, giving me 2y is -x plus 13, and then taking everything then to the one side is going to be x plus 2y minus 13 equals 0.